Welcome to 8th Standard English Medium students. Look at the page number 18, exercise 1.2 in your maths textbook. Fill in the blanks. First question, the value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15 is what? These two fractions are unlike fractions. We have to change the unlike fractions into like fractions. ஓரின பின்னங்களாக மாற்ற வேண்டும். வேற்றின பின்னங்களை ஓரின பின்னங்களாக மாற்ற வேண்டும். We have to change the unlike fractions into like fractions, and then they have to be added. So that we have to find the LCM of the denominators 12 and 15. Let us find the LCM for the denominators 12 and 15. Both 12 and 15 are multiples of 3. That is, 3 is a common factor. So, divide by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. And we can't divide 4 and 5. So, the LCM is the product. LCM is equal to 3 into 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is 60. So write these two fractions once again and then multiply 12 by and the factor multiply பண்ண பாருங்க 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So what is remaining? What is not there? 5. So multiply by 5 by 5, and then the denominator is 15. 3 5s are 15. What else is not there? 4. So multiply by 4 by 4, so that they will become like fractions. They will become like fractions. Simplify that, multiply that. Minus 5 into 5, 25, divided by 12 5s are 60, plus 7 4s are 28, by 15 4s are 4 5s are 20, 2 0, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. So the denominators are equal. 60 60 they are equal. The denominator is 60, and then the numerators are having opposite sign. So they should be subtracted. 25 should be subtracted from 28. 25 should be subtracted from 28. The balance is 3. 28 is bigger, So it is positive. 3 by 60. The value is 3 by 60. We may simplify that also. 1 by 20. 3 by 60 simplify panna. 1 3s are 3, 23s are 60. So that is equal to 1 by 20. The value of minus 3 by 6 into 18 by minus 9. First, they should be cancelled by the common factor. So, cancel the numerator by denominator. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. And then cancel 2 2. 1 2, 1 2. So, what is remaining? Minus 1 into 1 by 1 into minus 1. That is equal to 1 into 1, 1 by 1 into 1, 1, 1 by 1. And then what are the signs given? Minus in the numerator and minus in the denominator. There is 1 minus in the numerator and 1 minus in the denominator. Minus minus divide panna as it has same sign, same negative sign, they will be cancelled. So minus into minus plus. So 1 by 1. What is 1 by 1? 1. The value of minus 15 by 23 divided by 30 by minus 46 is what? Minus 15 by 23. Write the first fraction as it is, and then a division, change it as multiplication, and then write the inverse. Write the inverse, reciprocal, தலைகீழி. Minus 46 by 30. இதில் செகண்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷனை டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டர்லேயும் நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டர்லேயும் எழுதணும். And then cancel this, simplify this. (23) 23 one time, and then 23 2s are 46 2 times, and then 15 115 2 15s are 30. So what is there? There is one negative sign at here and another negative sign at here. Minus into minus get cancelled, plus cancel 2 2, so that you will get 1 by 1. What is 1 by 1? 1. Question number 4. The rational number dash do not have a reciprocal. The rational number dash do not have a reciprocal. The rational number 0 does not have a reciprocal. ஏன் reciprocal எழுதுனா 0 becomes 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined, undefined. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is dash. Inverse na 1 by nu eludum. 1 by எழுதி what is given? Minus 1. That is equal to the minus numerator கொண்டு வாங்க minus 1 by 1. That is equal to by 1 ன்னா அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா by 1 ஆல் அதாவது 1 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் there be no change in it. If we divide any number by 1, we will get the same number because the value will not change. That is equal to minus 1. Say true or false. Second Ohm letter, first question. All rational numbers have an additive inverse. All rational numbers have an additive inverse. Let us consider A by B. A by B. இது ஒரு rational number, fraction, isn't it? அதனுடைய inverse என்ன? minus A by B. So, for every positive number, there is a negative number. And similarly, for every negative number, there is a positive number. So, positive fraction ku additive inverse negative fraction. Negative rational number ku inverse positive rational number. So, it is true. The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverse are 0 and 1. The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverse are 0 and 1. 0 க்கு additive inverse 0. எப்படி? minus 0 plus 0. minus 0 plus 0. ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? அல்ல சிம்பிளை பண்ண என்ன வரும்? minus 0 plus 0 0 தான் வரும். minus 0 க்கு opposite plus 0. But minus 0 and plus 0 are equal, are the same. But minus 1 க்கு opposite plus 1. They are not equal. So, the answer is false. Third question. The additive inverse of minus 11 by 17 is 11 by 17. What is 11 by 17? What is minus 11 by minus 17? Here in this, there are two negative signs. Cancel them. Minus minus divide பண்ணாலும் cancel ஆகும், multiply பண்ணாலும் cancel ஆகும். Minus minus cancelled when they divided. So, what is the number? What is the value of the fraction? 11 by 17. அதனுடைய இன்வர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? பாசிட்டிவ் ஃப்ராக்ஷனோட இன்வர்ஸ் நெகட்டிவ் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் வரணும். நெகட்டிவ் வரல. ஸோ இட் இஸ் இதுவும் பாசிட்டிவ், இதுவும் பாசிட்டிவ். ஸோ பாசிட்டிவோடைய அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் வராது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். The rational number which is its own reciprocal is minus 1. minus 1 உடைய reciprocal minus 1 ன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. They are saying that the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 itself. -1 தான் -1 ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. let us check it. -1 ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னா 1 நியூமரேட்டரில் இருக்குது, அதாவது -1 டினாமினேட்டர் எழுதுங்க 1/-1 and then bring the minus to the numerator. -1/1 that is equal to -1. ஏன்னா 1ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் நியூமரேட்டர் வேல்யூ தான் வரும். 1ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் நியூமரேட்டர் வேல்யூ தான் வரும். வாட் இஸ் நியூமரேட்டர்? -1. The multiplicative inverse exists for all rational number. The multiplicative inverse என்ன? தலைகீழி நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டராகவும் டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டராகவும் இதுதான் multiplicative inverse for all rational numbers. rational numbers என்ன? நேச்சுரல் நம்பராக இருக்கலாம், ஹோல் நம்பராக இருக்கலாம், நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர்ஸாக இருக்கலாம், பாசிட்டிவ் நம்பர்ஸாக இருக்கலாம். For all positive numbers, the inverse exists. For all negative numbers, inverse exists. But for the neutral number 0, the inverse is 1/0. That is undefined, not defined. So 0க்கு inverse 1/0ங்கிறது வரையறுக்கப்படவில்லை. எனவே அது ஃபால்ஸ். Thank you students. God bless you.